In this example, we have a compound and inequality. An and inequality is where the x is trapped between two inequality signs. Okay, so the x is trapped in the middle between two inequality signs. And that's okay, but what we want to do is make sure that we have the x and only the x between those two signs. Okay, so it should be simply an x in the middle rather than 2x plus 7 as it is here. So let's begin by writing out the problem. And we've got -1 is less than or equal to 2x plus 7 is less than or equal to 3. Okay, now if we want to end up with simply an x in there in the middle, then we have to decide what shouldn't be there. And the first thing that we see that shouldn't be there is the plus 7. So what we're going to do is we're going to take out that plus 7. And with compound inequalities, if you take something out of the middle, you have to move it to both sides. Okay? You have to move it to both sides. That's the big thing about compound inequalities. If you take something out of the middle, you have to take it to both sides. Now, of course, when you move something from one side to another, across an inequality sign, that piece is going to change sign. So the plus 7 that was in the middle comes out to the left-hand side and becomes -7 is less than or equal to 2x. Now we've taken it out of the middle, so then we have 3. And again, we had plus 7 in the middle, we moved it out of the middle. So if you move it out, it becomes -7. It changes sign. Whatever sign it had originally, when you move it across either of the inequality signs, or both of the inequality signs, that 7 changes sign on both sides. So let's tidy up what we have on the edges here. -1 minus 7, that's -8, is less than or equal to 2x, is less than or equal to 3 minus 7, which is -4. Okay. And now we have 2x in the middle, we simply want x. So we're just going to divide by 2. So we'll divide everything by 2. So -8 divided by 2 is less than 2x divided by 2 is less than or equal to -4 divided by 2. Now if we had been dividing by -2, in other words, if we had a -2x in the middle, then and dividing by -2 would have meant we'd have to reverse both the inequality signs. So if we're multiplying or dividing by a negative number with compound inequalities, we have to change both the direction of both inequality signs. That didn't happen in this case. We're dividing by +2, so we don't change the direction. Now -8 divided by 2 is -4. 2x divided by 2 is just x. And -4 divided by 2 is -2. Okay, oops, forgot the inequality sign here. Less than or equal to -2. And that's our answer because we only have x now in the middle. Okay, so that's our answer. Okay, how do we graph this? Well, we're going to draw a number line. And we put the numbers on the number line, the numbers that are involved in our answer on the number line. And remember to put them in the correct order. As long as we're using less than signs, it shouldn't be any problem. -4 will be the smaller number, and -2 over here. We'll put circles around both of them. Now, at -4, we have the or equals, so we're going to shade in at -4. We're going to color in the circle at -4. At -2, we also have the or equals, so for both of these dots, we're going to color them in. Okay? Now, it could be that one of them or neither of them gets colored in. Okay? So, but in that case, and then the x is in between these. The x is in between these, so we just shade in between them. Okay? And there is our answer. Hopefully that made sense to you. Okay? Thank you for watching.